Hello everybody, it's Valentine's Day soon and I thought it would be a great occasion to make a video about Valentine's Day gift ideas. These are, as the title would say, 5 last-minute gift ideas for any of you that hadn't thought of anything yet. I had seen these going a lot on social media and I have actually liked them, so I thought I would give them a mention. The first one is a personalized chocolate box. Now these come in 3 sizes, mostly anyway, small, medium or large, where you can personalize them with the name of your partner or any sweet words you would choose, like I love you, be my valentine, you're my one and only, or anything you could think of. I will be actually listing everything in the description box below, so go and give it a check if you like any of the ideas and you are wondering where to get them from. I will be mentioning the pages on Facebook or the Instagram accounts that I have seen make these and hope that would actually help you. The second idea is a personalized photo box. You can make a box with one of your favorite pictures with you and your partner, or make a personalized frame where you could choose one or multiple pictures that you will hang in your house, and that would be such a cute little reminder of the love you both share. The third idea would be DIY treats. Now this actually requires for you to get in the kitchen and get your hands dirty a little. They're not that hard at all. You can make little cupcakes, which you can personalize them with the icing that you want, with a color that you want, or little cookies, or even if you want personalized little chocolates. I have actually seen in plenty of the supermarkets little heart-shaped cookie cutters or little heart-shaped chocolate silicone molds, which make working actually very easy. And I will also be listing down below a couple pictures that might be of inspiration to you if you would like. The fourth gift idea is something that is very close to my heart because I personally make these, which is personalized 3D hand models. Now these require for you and your partner to get an appointment. I will be listing all of the contacts down below so you can be able to do that, and I will be also listing pictures of the models that are available, where you can have a model of you and your partner's hands in plaster, which would actually be a nice piece of decor for an amazing Valentine's Day. And the fifth and final gift idea is a poster of the stars on a particular night. It can be the date you met, it can be your wedding date, which is actually very cute. I will be listing the page where I have seen this made, and I hope these ideas were very helpful, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye!